Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an adorable kitchen essential that's perfect for the fall season. The best pumpkin ramekins. If you're looking to add a festive touch to your table while serving up delicious treats, stay tuned as we explore the unique features and benefits of these charming ceramic pumpkin ramekins. Meet the Pumpkin Ramekins from YFANITI, a delightful set of 4 small ceramic bowls designed to elevate your baking and serving experience. Each ramekin holds 6 ounces, making them the perfect size for individual portions of your favorite desserts, dips, or appetizers. With their vibrant pumpkin orange color and intricate ridged design, these ramekins not only serve a purpose but also add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen decor. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, these ramekins are both durable and stylish. The unique pumpkin shape, complete with ridges on the inside, gives them a handmade feel. No two pieces are exactly alike. This attention to detail ensures that each ramekin is a small work of art, making them an excellent choice for special occasions, including Thanksgiving dinners or Halloween parties. What I love most about these pumpkin ramekins is their versatility. They can be used for a variety of culinary creations. From baking pumpkin custards and mini fruit tarts to serving chocolate mousse or even using them for snacks like olives and nuts, the possibilities are endless. Their compact size also makes them ideal for kids. They're easy to hold and perfect for smaller portions, encouraging little ones to enjoy their meals. Cleaning up after cooking can sometimes be a hassle, but these ramekins make it easy. They're microwave safe and dishwasher friendly, ensuring a hassle-free experience from oven to table. Plus, they stack neatly for storage, saving you valuable cabinet space. Worried about heat? Don't be. These ramekins can withstand oven temperatures of up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Celsius, so whether you're baking, reheating, or serving, you can trust they'll hold up beautifully under heat. In conclusion, the YFANITI pumpkin ramekins are not just functional, they're a delightful addition to any kitchen. Their unique design, versatility, and ease of use make them the best choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking and serving experience this fall. Whether you're hosting a festive gathering or simply treating yourself, these ramekins are sure to impress.